Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video we'll show you what to do if you are getting this Windows cannot connect to the printer error on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So to fix this, first open the search menu. Now type in registry editor. Now select this run as administrator option. Now in the registry editor window, you will first need to expand this local machine key. Now here you will need to expand the system key. Now scroll down and you will need to expand this current control set key. Now expand the control key here. Now you will need to scroll down and find the print key. Now select the print key. Now right click anywhere on an empty spot, go to new and select DWORD 32-bit value. Now rename it to this key. I'll also leave it in the description so you can copy it from there. Once you have created this key, right click on it and select modify. Now make sure the value data is set to 0, then click on OK. Go to the search menu again and type in services. Now select the first result. Now in the services window, you will need to scroll down and find this print spooler service. Right click on it and select restart. Now try connecting to your printer and see if it works. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.